Okay, in this video I'll be upgrading my Eonon stereo head unit from Android 12 to Android 13. First thing I'll do is go into settings and then about machine, and you can see in device details I'm running Android version 12. So it's right up there at the top, Android 12. So I'm going to go back into settings and I'm going to try connect to the internet. Now I can't connect to my home's Wi-Fi because I'm too far away from the house. So I'm using my cell phone. You can sort of see it there in my hand. And I did tethering to actually do the download. So I tethered my cell phone to the stereo head unit. Now, as soon as I logged in, I did get a notification that there was an update available. But if you don't get that, you could also go to System. And then on the very bottom there, you can see it says check for updates. And then this system update comes up. And that's the other way you can get to the Android 13 update, and then just hit download. And when I'm tethering with my cell phone, it is pretty slow. Like I said, I'm too far away from my house to get full internet connection. So it does take a while to do the download while tethering. And you can see it slowly getting darker around me as the sun sets. So you do need the key in the ignition of your vehicle, but I wouldn't recommend having your car started. Just have it on ACC or whatever, just so that the head unit turns on, because obviously you might run your car for a while. After it hits 100%, you can then hit the Update Now button, and it'll actually do the system update. And again, it does take a little while to do the updating once the download is complete, but the update did go a lot faster for me. So instead of taking an hour, it maybe took 5 minutes or so. And then once it's done or hits 100%, you could just hit OK for where it says tips, and then it'll do a restart. I'm not sure if it used to say 13 there when it did the restart, but overall, I think the boot up is about the same. And then once it did the update, all the preset radio stations were still there. It didn't delete anything, so none of the presets were lost. And then I'll just go to settings really quick, and then scroll all the way to the bottom again where it says about machine. Hit that button. And then you can see it says Android version 13 now, and open that up. And like I said, Android version 13. So overall, very easy to do. Like I said, it did take a little bit of time to download, probably because I was tethered to my cell phone, but that's the only way I could do it. Anyway, if you have an Eonon, you can do this update no problem. Thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.